Hello students, today we will learn about the last and one most important natural disaster, that is drought. So before going to directly to the point, I will tell that whatever I just discussed in that this video, please you note down or you can take screenshot so that you can also prepare note later on. Okay, and here that till the, now I have completed 4 parts. This is the 5th part, so see the video serial wise. So let's start and be with me to see till the last. Here today's topic of discussion, I already have written these 4 points. That first is definition of drought, effects of drought, causes of drought, then certain precautions that can be taken in drought prone areas. These are the main 4 points we will discuss today. So yes students, we first have to know what is drought. Drought means that we can say severe water shortage condition or acute water shortage situation. But in which cases we will also consider that these areas are having drought or not. We will not consider in that case Rajasthan, that also where there is desert, because we know desert is the natural that landform there. So we will not consider that also desertic drought. We will consider that areas where that normal rainfall it used to we can receive. In that areas, if the rainfall we are receiving less than 20% from the normal, then we will consider it as drought. Again I am telling students, if we are receiving rainfall less than 20% by the normal rainfall or than the normal rainfall, that we will consider as drought. Is it clear? Now what are the effects of drought? If you will talk, you can better understand here. Yeah, I will give some that live based example on about your country. You have seen or read in newspapers different part of India that some states basically they are facing this drought. So here water shortage conditions due to lack of rainfall. So here first we have to know what are the conditions creating when there is a lack of rain. It means that we are not able to provide sufficient water for agriculture purpose, and then no production will be there, and when there is no production, that food shortage condition will create. When food shortage will be there, starvation means gradually death of the people. So here that due to lack of water, so food production will also decrease, and when food production will not be there, then what will happen? Then starvation, and due to starvation people will also die. That is called famine. Okay, so one of the also result we can say famine. This kind of famine in India, so many times people also that experienced. So many times due to lack of water, starvation and death. Okay, so this famine which is causing in different parts, have you ever imagined about the people? We suppose we are getting all that and we are not having the feeling. So in that situation we should realize that how the people are facing this problem, and that's why we should also maintain certain that steps to it means save the water. Okay, so here students I will I am giving example of Maharashtra. I know that also a very populated state, and where Mumbai is that also most that populous city of India. Students, I am giving examples of Maharashtra state. Okay, Maharashtra recently is having 36 that districts, but before there were that 26 district. Okay, these 26 district basically were having near about 358 tehsils. These tehsils face different challenges due to that the severe water shortage situation. Near about 358 that tehsils. These 358 tehsils are not facing the drought. They are facing like that 358 tehsils are there. Out of that, 151 tehsils, they are facing drought. And out of this 151, I will say that 112 severe condition there, and 39 they are having medium, or we can say moderate. Okay, medium. So here severe means where we can say near about 90% crop damage due to lack of water. Just imagine about the farmers, how they used to survive there. And wherein 39 tehsils, people's not that much severe, moderate or medium conditions, they are near about that we can say 33% to 60% crop used to damage. In that situation, the places like Aurangabad, the places like Virava, so the places like Latur, these are the different places they face these severe water shortage conditions. People, so farmers, by seeing their family condition, they used to suicide, they commit suicide. We have seen the news in that so news channels, even we have read in that newspapers. This is the scenario. Even you have heard about last 2 years back, there was IPL match which also proposed to have in that Mumbai, but Mumbai that time was facing severe water also shortage condition. That's why it shifted to Pune. Why? Because the Mumbai was not able to fulfill the demand of the water to that all players. Okay, so here students, so we have seen the scenario. Due to that death, water shortage, famines, as well as food production will loss. These are the scenario of the effects. We have done these 2 points. Now causes. What are the main causes we have seen behind this drought situation? First, uncertainty and irregularity of monsoonal rain. Our country's that climate is tropical monsoon, which is erratic, uncertain, irregular in nature, which is not having the fixed time to come to our country. Sometimes it becomes very late, and due to that also we face this water shortage situation. Like here one also term that break of monsoon we can use, break of monsoon. In monsoonal time or rainy season, sudden that one day or 2 days there is rain, suddenly after that 1 month, 2 months there is no rain. Break, monsoon is taking break, and due to that the crop production season is passing and people are not getting the enough rain, and finally that they are also not able to produce the crop, and this drought forming. Then deforestation. Due to the deforestation, sometimes that also actually trees and plants are having the capacity to hold the particles of the soil. When it is also holding the particles of the soil, this soil also helping to it means receive the water from that surface at the time of rainfall. Like grass covered area, like plants covered area are having more rainfall than that open area. Have you ever seen that? So deforestation is the another reason. Next, overuse, over excess of water. Some of you students are having this kind of habit. Whenever you are brushing your teeth, you used to open the tap, and then tap also water is running. Somehow you are thinking what will happen, but you are not facing the problem. But somewhere some people are losing their lives due to that. So we should be concerned about that to save the water. Everywhere is water, but there is that we can say no, not a single drop of water to drink, means fresh water is very less. We should not it means exploit that. That is the exploitation of water. We should not do that. Next, overgrazing and overcultivation. We should not overgraze any of the area by the cattle, and we should not also overcultivate, because the soil is having some capacity to also do that. Due to this overgrazing and overcultivation, the upper layer or the top layer of the soil, it will remove, and due to that what will happen? The soil erosions, and soil erosion, due to that fertility will lose and it will not be able to produce the crop. Okay, even it will lose the capability to hold the moisture. Then on that unscientific way of cultivation, people sometimes become very greedy, and sometimes some that we can say people, those who are not it means aware about the scientific method, they used to do some methods which is not that favorable for that nature, and due to that sometimes this drought situation form. Lack of awareness, obviously all farmers are not educated, and due to lack of this awareness, this can also that happen. Okay. Now students, we will know the 4 points certain precautions. What precaution we can follow to avoid this drought situation. Okay, so here 1 point, you might have read that sometime also some years back in Latur district of Maharashtra, the condition was very severe that people were not having water for a month even to drink, and people were dying there, people were committing suicide there. And then government, it means both the central government and that the minister of that Mumbai, that Maharashtra state, they jointly they finally decided to supply water through that railway, that it means railway, that wagon or railway through that, and it was not regular. It means how many days after again the water will come, people were not known. So just think how people also that time they suffered and they survived due to lack of water, that conditions. Okay, when they were not having the water to drink even. So we should not waste the water. Now students, certain precautions. What are precautions? Afforestation, when there should be ban of that deforestation, it means we should plant trees. And if we will plant the trees, or some also plant at our home, wherever it is possible, it can reduce this situation. Next, avoid over exploitation of water. Obviously, like that some habit we have to change. Then we can also that it means avoid this over exploitation of water. Then scientific method of cultivation, whatever procedure till now the people are following, if this is not favorable for that nature, we should use and we should provide some knowledge to them, to the farmers, to do that scientific way to grow the crops. Next, awareness campaign. Obviously that government should take that initiative to that it means educate the people, to the farmers, to that it means how they can cope up with the situation and how they can also face the problem. Even that time due to the drought conditions, we will get to see the soil is not become that much it means infertile. It become that infertile which is not even able to grow any of the crops. So we have to learn how we can plant or grow the crops in that situation also. That is called that drought resistance crop. Drought resistance, it means very less water we also can grow some crop. So we have to educate to the farmers. Then making of government policy. Government should take some policies in to face this kind of problem or challenges or disasters. So how they will face this situation, what are the further or future, that also it means steps they have taken to face the situation, that government should look after for that. Then also forming communities. Some community should be there, or we should form, or people should form that disaster also these drought prone areas to look after which crop they are growing. Even we should also here add that some crop rotation we can follow. Crop rotation. What is crop rotation? Sometimes some crops are having to absorb more water also, more it means to receive the water, and in that case we should see that which crop it will come after other crop. Okay, so crop rotation, it is very essential in that case. Then rainwater harvesting, it is the most that it means important the way to save the water today in our life. So many states already they have started this rainwater harvesting. I will here will tell you, like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Odisha. These are the states who are facing this drought situation. So they already learned how to save the water, save the rainwater. This is the rainwater harvesting. Among these, Tamil Nadu, one of the state where that rainwater harvesting structures or some reservoirs, it is also very important and compulsory construction should be there in every individual house. It means wherever people are making any of the buildings, they first have to make a place where they can store the water, rainwater. So in that case, rainwater sometime we can store in that underground reservoir, sometime we can make a pit, and this water we can use for further purposes, like for domestic, so many purposes, that utensils, washing of clothes, that utensils, even some of that washing of cars, and so many other works are there if we are not drinking. Yes students, this is in our hand. As a responsible citizen, we should also take the steps, or we should follow the steps to face these kind of disasters. So hope you have understood whatever points I have explained here. See the video once again. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.